I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates we I wan share give the general public. And this information we I wan share give the general public, I believe say many students for inside Edo State, they go consider them as good news. The cocoa now be say, the Edo State Polytechnic USEN don announce the suspension of their policy, and this policy so they require students to present proof of their school fees payment during examination. Now this polytechnic then suspend this particular policy so for students who they apply for student loans through the Nigeria Education Loan Fund. That is to say, if you be student of the Edo State Polytechnic USEN and you dey apply for loan through the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, that policy where you guys present proof of school fees before you write exam, they apply to you again. The person where they drop this information, so the person where they summon this announcement now one countryman where they go by the name Sylvester Omoruyi, I na the institution their rector. Now we drop this announcement during one sensitization program where they organized by the Nigeria Education Loan Fund at the Polytechnic, their main campus for inside USEN on Tuesday, maybe the 11th day of March for this year, 2025. According to how Oga Sylvester Omoruyi tell yarn about the matter, he said the issue of driving students during examination is now over. That one now don't become thing of the past. They no go to check for their school fees slip again. They no go to check all those levels. All the guys need to check now the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, their portal. And if you don't register for there's no need to drive you out for school fees payments or something like that. If you be say you don't plaster your name for Nigeria Education Loan Fund, if you be say they apply for loan through this initiative, so they no go lie pursue you, say never pay your school fees. You go write your exams without worries. After every the institution, their rector will be Sylvester Omoruyi, can they give accolade. He can they praise the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And the institution, their rector will be Sylvester Omoruyi, in the praise our president. Say the man now initiate the scheme. And Oga Omoruyi can still give accolade to the Edo State government for supporting the program. Them now they welcome the Nigeria Education Loan Fund. Them now they applaud the initiative for calming down the financial burden on Nigerian students through school fees coverage and upkeep allowances. Then after Oga Sylvester Omoruyi will be the institution director don't yarn all these levels finish, after he don't give praises to who he need to praise, the managing director and chief executive officer of the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, and this man they go by the name Akintunde Sawyer, he now can express in concern, say the Polytechnic was yet to submit students data to formally kickstart the process for registration of their students for the scheme. And no be lie, my good people, during the program, so this sensitational program will be organized by the Nigeria Education Loan Fund for inside the Polytechnic, their main campus ready for USEN on Tuesday. Oga Akintunde Sawyer was represented by one countryman who they go by the name Lami, Aina, the director of loan allocation and distribution. So through this representative, Oga Akintunde called they urge the institution to take advantage of the new registration cycle for the 2024/2025 academic session by making sure that students then register for the scheme. Aina consider yarn say during the 2023/2024 section, the Nigeria Education Loan Fund proudly enrolled 259 institutions, and still during that process, during that period, that is the 2023/2024 section, they also disbursed millions of naira to students them. But however, he now can notice say the institutions wey dey for inside the south and southeast region get the lowest registration rate. That is, institutions wey dey for inside the south and southeast region, they need to register for the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, and that now come make am dey worry. So now why in plaster for the Edo State Polytechnic USEN to encourage the institution, make them encourage their students, make them come register, because last the thing will help them. So after the managing director and chief executive officer of the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, be Akintunde Sawyer, don yarn finish through his representative, will be Lami Suyad, The Commissioner for Education for the Edo State, wey be Dr. Padi Iyamu, come dey express the readiness of Edo government to collaborate with the Nigeria Education Loan Fund to improve on the already recorded gains of the scheme in Edo State. The Commissioner for Education come dey yarn say every Edo child must get access to education, and they want to give Edo State students the platform, which is the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, so that the thing will help them to achieve their dreams, and it go help to stop school dropouts, so that men now no go come dey drop out of school sake of say they no fit pay their school fees, they no fit pay other levels wey they need to pay during the school process, and every other levels wey they need to pay during their schooling. And with the intervention of the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, so students now no go come need to dey rely on their family members abroad for financial support. They no go come put heavy weight on their parents. Men now no go need their uncles and aunties wey dey for Spain or wey dey for diaspora make they come send them money. Men now no go need to worry those their parents wey don dey come of age, men wey need to relax, wey need to dey chill sake of say they wan go school. No, once men now don dey focused, once e don dey committed, once e don dey dedicated, the next step wey you need na this platform. You need to use this platform so I go take shine. Then after Dr. Padi Iyamu, wey be Commissioner of Education for Edo State, don yarn all these levels finish, one countryman wey dey go by the name Victor, and he na business administration student for the Edo State Polytechnic USEN, he na come dey express excitement about the loan scheme. He na come dey yarn say many students were eager to utilize the opportunity to pursue their education without financial hindrance. Many now they look forward to going to school. Many now they look forward to finishing school without the palava of say they no pay school fees. So with this kind of testimony, many now they believe say the students go last embrace the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, and they go see them like a welcome development. They go see them like initiative wey chuchu come to help them finish school without getting any issues. So this my good people, now the informate wey I want share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body. If you be say you don't register for the Nigeria Education Loan Fund, or if you be say you dey plan to register, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop your experience or anything wey you guys talk for our comment section. Notice now we be reality latest gist. Now they like giving out reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest they come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news, give your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup. Make them too get updates on the things and things so they go on for inside this our nation. Make they come your screen, make they come back again with more reality latest for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.